The future of spaceflight, from orbital vacations to humans on Mars. The 21st century space race is upon us, ushering in an era of unprecedented innovation and exploration. Currently, the focus has shifted from superpowers engaging in war to private companies striving to simplify and lower the cost of space travel. In a remarkable feat this year, SpaceX successfully launched astronauts from the United States to the International Space Station, marking a significant achievement. However, the company has its sights set on even more ambitious goals in the future. In this new age, the 21st century brings remarkable innovation and exploration. Long gone are the days when powerful nations battled for control of space. Today, private companies are at the forefront, offering a version of quick space getaways, space hotels in orbit, and the dream of humans setting foot on Mars becoming a reality. The cosmos is now more accessible than ever thanks to companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic leading the way. Embarking on missions to the International Space Station and leading the way in suborbital space tourism, the realm of spaceflight continues to push its limits, providing a vision of a future where the vast expanse of stars is within our grasp. Private spaceflight has been around for quite some time. From the very beginning, commercial companies were involved in the aerospace industry in the United States. From the 1960s onwards, NASA has turned to private contractors to construct spacecraft for all significant human spaceflight initiatives, beginning with Project Mercury and persisting to this day. NASA's Commercial Crew program is broadening its connection with private companies on this fine day. NASA trusts SpaceX and Boeing to construct spacecraft that can transport humans into orbit. After the vehicles are constructed, both companies maintain ownership and control of the craft, allowing NASA to send astronauts into space at a significantly lower cost than a seat on Russia's Soyuz spacecraft. SpaceX, known for revolutionizing space travel with reusable rockets, has consistently sent supplies to the ISS since 2012. In May 2020, the company's Crew Dragon spacecraft embarked on a historic journey, carrying NASA astronauts Doug Hurley and Bob Behnken to the ISS. This marked the first crewed mission to launch from the United States in almost 10 years. Set to return to Earth in August is the mission known as Demo 2. Boeing is developing its Starliner spacecraft to transport astronauts to the ISS starting in 2021. Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are among the companies that focus on suborbital space tourism. A video of the test launch inside the cabin of Blue Origin's New Shepard captures stunning views of our planet and a peaceful journey for its inaugural passenger, a test dummy named Mannequin Skywalker. Virgin Galactic is currently conducting test flights on its suborbital space plane. This spacecraft will pay customers approximately 6 minutes of weightlessness as it travels through Earth's atmosphere. With various spacecraft on the horizon, the possibility of zero-gravity somersaults becoming a reality is within reach for those willing to pay the substantial costs. Embarking on missions to the moon is crucial for venturing into the uncharted territories of far-off planets. Once upon a time, NASA took a break from visiting the moon, but now they're back, with a grand plan to establish a space station in lunar orbit within the next decade. Shortly after the agency's Artemis program, a counterpart to the Apollo missions of the 1960s and 70s, sets its sights on landing the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by 2024. Staying on the moon for extended periods helps astronauts gain the necessary skills and knowledge for future missions to other planets. Furthermore, by utilizing local materials, the moon could serve as a strategic base for humans to acquire necessary resources like rocket fuel and oxygen. These abilities are essential for the upcoming journey into the vastness of space, requiring greater self-sufficiency and less reliance on resources from our home planet. Humans have ventured to the moon in the past, but the cratered sphere continues to hold scientific enigmas waiting to be unraveled. Among these mysteries is investigating water ice near the moon's south pole, a prime objective for future space exploration. NASA has turned to the private sector for assistance in its mission to reach the moon. Private companies have awarded 3 contracts for developing human-rated lunar landers, with Blue Origin and SpaceX among the recipients. However, the foundation of the Artemis program hinges on a cutting-edge spacecraft known as Orion. Under construction and undergoing testing, Orion, along with Crew Dragon and Starliner, resembles the space capsules from the Mercury, Gemini, and Apollo programs and Russia's Soyuz spacecraft. However, the Orion capsule boasts a larger size, allowing it to accommodate a 4-person crew. With its somewhat retro design, the capsule concept is deemed safer and more reliable than NASA's Space Shuttle. The Space Shuttle, a revolutionary vehicle, had limitations as it couldn't venture beyond Earth's orbit and faced catastrophic failures. On the flip side, capsules provide launch abort capabilities to safeguard astronauts in the event of a rocket malfunction. With their weight and design, they can journey beyond Earth's immediate neighborhood, possibly transporting humans to the Moon, Mars, and even further. NASA's embarking on a new journey by venturing into orbit with its Commercial Crew program and collaborating with private companies to land on the lunar surface. The goal is to revolutionize spaceflight economics through enhanced competition and reduce costs. In a future where space travel becomes more affordable and widespread, everyday people may find themselves venturing into space to witness the beauty of our planet from various vantage points, such as space capsules, stations, or innovative space hotels like those proposed by Bigelow Aerospace. Other countries are also setting their sights on the sky, not just the United States. Russia regularly sends humans to the International Space Station using its Soyuz spacecraft. In China's grand plan, a fast space station is in the works to accommodate 3 taikonauts. 2 orbiting test vehicles, Tiangong-1 and Tiangong-2, were launched and sent several years in space before safely burning up in the Earth's atmosphere. Currently, over 12 countries can send rockets into Earth's orbit. Several space agencies have crafted spacecraft that broke free from Earth's gravity and journeyed to the Moon or Mars. And, lo and behold, the United Arab Emirates is set to join that prestigious list in the summer of 2020 as its Hope spacecraft embarks on a journey to the Red Planet. Although there are no concrete plans for sending humans to Mars, the upcoming missions and the potential discoveries they may yield could play a crucial role in preparing for such a journey. Looking ahead, space travel holds a wealth of potential, ranging from leisurely trips around the Earth to the grand adventure of venturing to Mars. Advancements in technology have paved the way for private space companies such as SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic to take charge of commercial space travel. They are allowing civilians to witness the marvels of outer space up close. Embarking on a journey to the stars was once a mere fantasy, but now it's within reach. Travelers can now experience the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet from the vastness of space, gazing at the stars and witnessing the Earth from a whole new perspective. Our minds are filled with infinite possibilities as we gaze up at the twinkling stars above. Humanity's on the brink of returning to the Moon and setting up a lasting presence thanks to efforts like NASA's Commercial Crew program and Artemis program. This will pave the way for future missions to the Mars and beyond. Private companies have taken center stage in developing spacecraft that can transport astronauts to the Moon and beyond. As we reach each new milestone, we move one step closer to fulfilling the grand vision of exploring and inhabiting other planets, delving into the secrets of the cosmos, and transforming our perception of the universe. Within the vast expanse of space exploration, the horizon brims with endless possibilities. As nations from all corners of the globe gaze up at the twinkling stars above, working together and joining forces becomes essential, opening the path for humankind to embark on a shared adventure into uncharted territories. Embarking on missions from the lunar surface to the Red Planet, each journey draws us nearer to unraveling the mysteries of our cosmic companions and paving the way for a future where the ultimate frontier is within reach. As we set off on this incredible adventure, one thing is clear: space travel holds boundless opportunities, ready to be uncovered and embraced by future generations.